up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on a 2016 Ford Transit. Now the air filter's inside here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to take this off and get to that and change it. First thing we're going to do is loosen and remove this little air intake hose with just a flathead screwdriver. Just enough to pull that off and out of the way. I'm just going to pull this back and hold it out of the way with a little bungee cord, just so it's clear and you can see what I'm doing. The next thing is this filler neck for your washer fluid. This is just a little clamp here that supports this, and it's a lot easier to get to the clips on the front of the airbox if you release this. So all you need to do is just push that forward, and then that will move out of the way. Just makes it a lot easier to get down here to these two clamps. So you can see where my finger is. This is the first one here. Just pull that forward, and then there's one right here. Same thing. And then this little tab right here, you may have to pull that, push that back like that, and then that will allow you to lift the airbox cover off. Just kind of pull it forward. And on this one, it's kind of easy just to roll it down. You don't need to disconnect this sensor. That gives us access to our filter. And there's the old air filter. And it's quite simple, just pull that out. And that's not too bad. I've seen much worse. Just a quick side-by-side comparison. You can see this one is brand new, much cleaner, of course. Now, before I put the new one in, you can see that there's a lot of dust, dirt, and debris in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a vacuum and clean that out before I put the new filter in. All right, with that all clean, then we can put in the new air filter. Now this is kind of unique in that it's got this little separate chamber here, so you just want to make sure that these pleats on this side stay on that side of the box there, and just make sure that that sits down there, and then we can pick up the airbox cover and just kind of roll it back up on the top of there. Now first, before I do that, you see these little three recesses here. Those are for the tabs on the end of the air filter box. So when you put this on, you need to make sure that those line up. There we go. Kind of just have to wiggle it until you can get those down underneath, and then you'll feel that that just seats right back down. Now this little clip, I can't quite feel it clipping into place yet. There it is. Just have to push down on that to get that to clip into place. And it looks like our little clip here for the sensor wire came off, which that's easy enough. It just clips right back here. There we go. And then our clips in the front, hopefully you can see that. Not a lot of room for your hand in there. There we go. Definitely a tight fit there. All right, and then we can put the hose back on. Tighten that clamp. Just make that snug. And then our washer fluid fill neck here, just line that back up like so. And you're done. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this same air filter as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.